Hey guys, it's Vance Bullock here, and starting work on the Cherokee. Got some parts in, got both U-joints, new brake pads, and new brake bolts, new brake caliper bolts along with the bushings. Let me show you kind of what's up. So, U-joints are obviously bad. Main problem being I have to take that all out, but the rotor's all good. But fortunately one of the bolts snapped off right there. Maybe it's loose enough I can get a vice grip or some pliers on it or something to pull it out. I really don't want to drill it out. It shouldn't be too bad, but I still hate drilling stuff out, especially when I don't need to. Yeah, I'm going to take the axle shaft out. Let me see how much play is in there. That's bad, and there's needle bearings falling out and whatnot, so I'm just going to be replacing those joints and see what happened when the wheel fell off. They tore up these brake pads. They're still got plenty of life left in them, but just chunked out a bit on each one. So I'm just going to replace both sides because I couldn't find a kit that sells just one. Normally people don't need just one brake pad. So yeah, here's the other bolt that came out of it. It's slightly bent still. I'm hoping I don't have to re-tap that. Hopefully I can just stick a new bolt in there and squeeze her down. Hopefully I'll straighten some stuff out. Some bits here are a little chipped. Nothing on the top, so that's good. Yeah, everything should be good. Except this will be a pain in the butt. So I'm going to get the hub and axle shaft out now, just so I can get that out. And then I'm going to start working on this, because that's just going to be the toughest part of this whole project. So, I'll see you guys in a sec. Actually, I'll even record some of this, so y'all can see what I'm doing. To make sure I don't lose these, I got plenty of extra cotter pins I can put in. I'll actually put in a new cotter pin just because I have a bunch. So let's get the socket for that. See, if you use an impact, generally I don't have to actually hold this in place. It'll just rip off the nut quick enough. Nut came off. That thing barely spun. You just gotta get yourself an impact. This isn't really an impact bit. It's ready for this. It's not even the right type, but it always has worked for me. I've never had any issues with it. So that's all good. Cool, that's going to be good, easy to get out. Gotta get a 13mm 12 point on there. Get the axle shaft out. You know how I know it's 13mm? Because I had to do it twice when I was out on the trail. They're coming out nice and easy. Except this one. Ooh. Ouch. Slam myself, gosh. Alright, so take all these guys out. Should come out fairly easily. Nice and easy out. Let's put these somewhere. Lose them. They actually come out really easily if you have the wheel straight. You don't have to turn the wheel, turn the whole knuckle to get out the top one actually. It will come out in its current position. So. I'm assuming that's by design, so see it'll come out and just pop right out. Pretty easy stuff. It's coming out easy because once again, I'm saying I've done this already once. Hub's out. Probably, it's good I'm going to be replacing these. They don't seem that bad, but I don't want to risk anything with all these axle shafts and stuff. So let me get the axle shaft out. Alright, axle shaft is out. So as you see, there's very limited movement here, and I can't even move it this way. So there's the issue. Alright, we're gonna lay this down over here for now. Gosh, I gotta change the gear oil in the front sometime. Grease all the Zerk fittings while I'm here. Alright, well, we're gonna start getting to drilling this bad boy out. I think if I'm drilling into it, well, I'm gonna be drilling into it. I should be unscrewing it, so let's just see how that goes. Let's hope that one's not too cross-threaded that I can't use it again. I'll have to retap it. So, alright, let's try everything out. Well guys, I got all these bits out for nothing because I was able to take some vice grips and pinch it and twist it a little bit, and now it just freaking came out. There's no way I would have been able to drill through all that anyways. It's a lot of metal. So yeah, I got pretty lucky with this, so that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. So now I'm just going to thread some new bolts in there to make sure that they fit nicely, and I'll clean up all these bits so I can get started on the U-joint. Ah, I'm so glad that came out easy. Unfortunately, that bottom one is half stripped. The bolt still tightens down nicely, it just goes in a little hard. Top one's all good, so I'm not terribly concerned about fitment and whatnot. This will hold, these both will hold on stuff very nicely anyway, so it'll be all good. Alright, time to work on that U-joint. I started hammering without taking the clips out. Yeah, that would have been a long day. I wonder what the problem is. Gosh, this U-joint has been bad for a while. Jesus Christ, these U-joints are just dust. God. What is this? Man, these are bad. Well, I'm glad I'm replacing them. I'm sure the other side's not going to be much better than that. But that's pretty bad. Alright, let's get started. Alright, I got the main shaft ones on, nice and greased. C-clips on, so let's get on the other ones. I've just been packing these things. They came greased, but I'm packing them more because I ain't risking nothing here. Alright, I'm just going to clean all this stuff up. And tomorrow, hopefully, the new, not ball joints, what am I saying? The new hubs will be in, so I'll be able to finish up this side and take the Jeep on the road. And then maybe later this weekend I can go ahead and redo the other side, or change a U-joint on the other side and the hub as well, and the brake pads. So yeah, that's all for this video today, guys. Got the brand new axle shaft hub U-joints in there. So now I just gotta wait till tomorrow for the hubs to come in. Even though they were guaranteed today, so they're giving me some money back on that. So at least that's positive. Alright guys, just closing up shop for tonight. That's all I'm doing for today, because tomorrow the new hubs are coming in. Those ones aren't that old. Those hubs there aren't that old, but I figured if I'm replacing this stuff, the bearings inside that hub probably were going bad from that being bad for so long. And plus I got 33-inch tires on the Dana 30 hub, so bearings tend to go faster on bigger tires. So yeah, I'm just waiting on the hubs for tomorrow. I will be doing both sides. It's just this is the side that needed the most attention. I also will be replacing the brake pads. So that's all there really is for today until I get the new hubs through tomorrow. So then I'll be able to drive it, and then on the weekend I'll probably do the other side and make sure everything's all good with that. Alright, well, now after all that work is done, time for a beer. Just kidding. I get to go mow the lawn. Hell yeah. Got a ye old Craftsman. My very crappy tarping job. So I don't really care that much. It doesn't really need to be tarped. So, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow when I'll be doing the hub.